Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out some of the best deals going on at your local Home Depot. So, let's dive in. Alright guys, get us started. We see a few Ryobi items right here. We have the multi-tool kit for $79 and also the batteries as well. Then we get into some Milwaukee items. You can see some of these deals going right here for $1.99. Pretty good price for these. Then we see the combo kit here for $2.29, and then also a couple of the other tools as well. Then we see another combo kit right here for $2.49, drill driver kit, and as well for the batteries here for $2.99. Again, Milwaukee is one of the best brands they have at Home Depot. Also have the compact blower as well on sale, so you can check that out, see if that might be something that you need. And then you can also see some of these other new prices as well for some of these combos and even batteries. A couple new items as well. We have the hammer drill. We just looked at that one, $2.49. And then some of the batteries as well. And then we see some of their lights. You can get some of these lights if you need those for working on the job site or whatever that might be. Pretty good option right here. Then even the taller light tower here for $180. Pretty good price for that one. And then have a few more just smaller items right here. Pretty good prices. A lot of these have been cut. And then even some safety items for Milwaukee. You can check out some of these if you need some of those for work. And then even some saw blades as well. Pretty good price. Then Diablo discs here. Check some of these out. I do love this fastback. It's a great little item right there for Milwaukee. And even the 13-in-1 screwdriver. Then we have a few other items as well here for Milwaukee. Again, good prices on those. We also see a few more Milwaukee items here, different other items, and then even this chainsaw here for $2.99. Probably a great thing to pick up, especially with fall coming. Then you can also see another blower right here, and then the kneeling pad for $15. Then we see a few more items right here. You can buy one of these if you get this battery for free. So if you need one of these tools, you also get a battery, which is super nice. So you can check out some of these prices. Pretty good options, especially in the Milwaukee brand. Always great to check and see what they might have available. Then we also have the Ryobi one right next to that. Check out some of these. Pretty good prices, $59 for some of these items. You can check out some of these drills and also saws. And then also a couple other options as well, even the blower and some of the other drills, and even the little combo kit here for $160. Then another Milwaukee item, if you need some of these, you can grab that. Then they have some clearance items in some of their random summer stuff. You can see these hats, also these misting fans, $10 for those. Still is pretty warm where I live, so you can definitely use some of these still. But they are starting to sell out and move them on because the fall is here. We even see some of the cooling towels and different things like that. Then even the all-season neck gaiter, $18. The hat for $12. And then again, a few more cooling towels and hats as well. So if you need some of these for maybe even the fall or even the springtime, great to go ahead and grab some. Then we have the DeWalt options and combo kits on sale. You can see a lot of these, all their different sets and combo kits in case you need just some different tools, batteries, drills, and other items like that. You can see all the options they have right here. Then we get into a few more items. We have some Dremels, $105, and now even some rigid items are on sale. A little combo kit here for the drill and the saw, $133. Really good price for that. Get saved about $50 there. Then also just the drill set here for $79 option. Then even another Dremel option for $85. We have the impact wrench here for Milwaukee on sale, a little stubby option. And then a few more items that you might need with some sockets, even some more blades for $30. Get to save a significant amount on that. And then also the drill bit set here. So check those. Then we also have another Milwaukee item on sale here, $143, pretty good price. And then a DeWalt battery for $99. The miter saw stand for $129. So if you need one of these in the Ryobi brand, you can definitely grab one and save you a little bit of money here. We also have the Ryobi sliding miter saw for $231. You can check and see if it's available at your store. It was sold out at mine. Then we have the Rigid floodlight here for 70 bucks. And also the radio as well, so you can check those. And then when I had some of their saws had dropped down to 99 bucks. Let me know in the comments if you are still in the Rigid fan. I saw a lot of people looking over here when I was grabbing some of these videos. Even the hammer drill here, the corded option, and the drywall gun for DeWalt here for 104. I get to say about 20 bucks for that one. Again, also the corded option. Then we have another Milwaukee right angle drill. Get to save significantly on this one. So again, if you need the heavy duty option here, pretty good thing to go ahead and grab. And then we all have Rigid wet dry vacs. Here's one on sale. Again, a little bit smaller option, but definitely a great deal for that. And then also the larger battery here for Ryobi. So if you need one of these for your blowers or any other larger equipment, definitely grab it, save some money. We also had another deal on the compact series here for Ryobi. Today's sponsor is Lifewave X39. This has been a game-changing patch for myself. It's really helped me get back to doing things I enjoy. It's helped my pain in my knee, then also my lower back. My wife takes it and uses these for just like overall health as well, and it's worked really well for us. I'll have a link down below for these. You can check out all the other things that it does, but all you're going to do is just take this right off. You just slide this off right here, and then you can stick it to your upper back. And again, it has worked really well for us. Highly recommend you check it out. Also wanted to check this area right here. You can see they have a lot of Hunter fans available, so if you need to grab some of those, you definitely can. They also have some nails and a few other things like that. Then if you need to fix your fan in your bathroom, you can grab a couple of these. I have a video on that as well that I need to go ahead and post at some point, but I'll show you guys that in the near future. Then we have a few more items again that are on some good sales, but I wanted to show you some of these. They have a lot of these Milwaukee cups and thermoses. You can grab some of those and a few just storage items, and then even a couple items right here. I really like this Ryobi Sawzall for 60 bucks. Pretty great deal there. And then even we have some drop cords and a few other pretty good items here for these clearance sections. You guys can let me know in the comments if y'all have ever found anything good in the clearance section. I know I have. I have multiple drills that I've found that were either off sale or they were just going ahead and wrapping up that type of drill, and I've been able to get them on some really good sales, so y'all can let me know that in the comments. But we have a few other deals as well. They also had this deal here, this trash can. Get to save a few dollars on that, 27 bucks, especially if you're going to be having people over at the house or any kind of thing like that. You can definitely do that outside trash can. Then we have some rakes. I know with the fall coming, definitely time to grab you some of those. And the socket light, still haven't done this yet, but I plan on grabbing one of these at some point. I'll let y'all know. I also wanted to show y'all that all of these were sold out in this little corner here for Milwaukee. So a lot of these were sold out, and they still have their Husky tool chest on sale. So if you need to grab some of these for some storage items, pretty good price for that one right there. I also have the latching box here for 10 bucks. Get to save $5. So if you're going to be doing some storage stuff, definitely a great thing to pick up. Have the crocodile cloth. I've never used these, but they were on sale. I wanted to let y'all know that. Then they did have their igloo cooler on sale. You can see this for 55 bucks. A lot of the other items in this section, though, were on sale and now have either been removed or are on back to normal prices. They also have the Rigid portable chest. You can put this on your truck or your ATV or whatever that might be. Pretty good prices on these as well. I think that one's really cool. Again, even a little bit larger universal storage option here. Then the garage options. If you guys are going to be doing some storage, I know a lot of people have been doing those videos and putting these in their garage. They also have a couple of these left at my store. See a lot of these prices for different items doing some yard work. Then they even have some carbon monoxide alarms. A lot of these prices have dropped. These are great things just to keep in your house. So if you don't have them, you definitely need to go ahead and stock up on these because you don't want fires to happen in your house at all, because that can definitely be a bad thing and also be dangerous. And here is their Halloween setup. Just want to show you all the items that they have out at my local Home Depot. This is a huge section. This whole area is normally where they have like all of the tools that are on sale and that are going in right now. But they have this huge section just full of Halloween decorations. Y'all let me know in the comments if y'all go all out for Halloween and if you decorate and if you use this type of stuff. We normally don't use a lot of Halloween decorations at our house. We kind of save it all up for Christmas, but there are a ton of options here again at my Home Depot. You can check out some of these. They have, again, a lot of the kind of the creepy gourds and pumpkins and different things like that. It looks very, very similar to the Lowe's setup. There are a few different options they have, but it looks like, again, a lot of the same and similar stuff. But you can see all these options right here. And again, they have just some of these little prizes or little things that you can set out maybe around your house, or just some of the smaller options. And they even have just multiple things here in these boxes. These are some large items and pretty expensive, I would say, for some decorations, but I know a lot of people love this and a lot of people decorate. And then up top, they did have some of the inflatables, some of the more kid-friendly options with Bluey and Minions and just kind of stuff like that, and even Donald Duck up there. But you can see all of the skeletons and all the different decor, even some of the animals as well. So check all those out. And then down here at the bottom, they have all these things that they have set out, just the boxes full, so you can grab these. They even had a limited purchase quality on, so I'm not sure if people are coming in here and buying multiple boxes, but it did say you could only buy a certain number, so I think that's pretty unique. I guess a lot of people are purchasing a lot of these things for Halloween. Then you can see they even have some pumpkin carving stuff, and then just all different type of things for Halloween. But you can see all these different things we have going on right here. Also, while these are going, I did want to let you guys know that we do have our membership options available down below. So if you're interested in helping us keep the lights on here at Try This DIY, also you get to get the videos early and you get a shout out in the videos as well. You can check out our membership option down below. You can click the join button and I would greatly appreciate it. And then we also have some lights right here. Maybe if you want to use these lights, and you can even keep some of these for Christmas, but some of these are purple and orange, so I don't really know how well those will do during the Christmas season. But you can check those out, see if those are some things you want. And then again, just a lot more options right here. Some of these inflatables and different things that you might be interested in as well. And then again, here's just a bigger setup of the other side. So you can see there are so many options, so many things going on. Even this monster massive skeleton that's like staring around, and then you can see all the inflatables in the background as well. But overall, I think there's some pretty good deals going on right now. You can let me know in the comments what you plan on grabbing. You can also like and subscribe so you never miss another video, and I will see you in the next one.